Hey my beautiful people, so I'm going to show you 2 ways to use Bantu knots to get really big hair. Okay, so we are starting off with a water bottle just to weigh her hair down and following up with some setting lotion. Now she has no product in her hair. Y'all saw me do the little buns on the bow buns on her hair yesterday. So we just combed out those curls and sprayed it down with some water so we can move on into this style. On this side, we are going to do the basic Bantu knot method. We're just gonna wrap that around, and if y'all want like more detail on how to do that, you can watch this video right here. But for today, we're just gonna, y'all know, twist until it starts to twist around itself, and then slowly just make sure those loops go under one another. Now y'all know, like I told y'all last time in that Bantu knot video, make your sections as big or as small as you want to. It's just gonna kind of change the wave of it. If it's smaller, it's gonna be more wavy. If it's bigger, it's still gonna be wavy, just a looser wave. So in this section, we're going to use that Lottie Body again. We're just going to use it in the liquid form instead of the pump form. So what you're going to do is, with your Flexi rod, you are just going to twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap all the way down, and make sure that it is tight, not too tight. We're not pulling hair out, but tight enough where if you have a natural texture hair, you're kind of stretching that out so that it gets into that wavy curly form. So you're gonna see me like wrap it. See how I'm like turning it so it's tight, so that the hair stretches at the roots. But once again, we're not trying to cause any damage, so not too tight. Not too tight. If it feels tight, feels like it's pulling, loosen it up a little bit. And we're just gonna keep doing that on this side. So homegirl has to go in the dryer so I can show you guys these results. Okay, so we are taking her down the same way we put her up. We're just going to go in the opposite direction. And it's still going to give you those waves, kind of like the Bantu knots will. I just want to show y'all how it was looking when you take it down. You got to make sure you're wrapping. Y'all see? Y'all see? Yes. So pretty, so shiny, so bouncy. And all I put on there is Lottie Body. Of course, we're going to take some oil sheen and put that all over. And that's because we are going to brush out these curls. Yes, brush them out because we want them to be big. I love brushing out the Bantu knots, okay? The Bantu knots brushed out for me is it. I love big hair, and I might do this for Christmas. I don't know what I want to do to my hair, but yeah, brushed out Bantu knots may be the move. Okay, so we're taking my paddle brush and we are brushing out those waves to make this hair big. And see, the thing about this is you can't go wrong brushing it out. It's just gonna make it look better. And I don't know, it's giving 80s, 90s, and that's probably why. Like, I'm a 90s baby, okay? And that's probably why as soon as I see like the Bantu knots and they brushed out, and I'm just like, yes, it gives. It's the big hair. Cause that was the style then. Okay, maybe that's why. Maybe I just maybe I just figured out my obsession with big hair. So on this side of the hairstyle, I'm just gonna like take and loop them around because I just want y'all to see, like, you can wear this if you don't want to brush them out, do the big hair thing. You can take and just wear it like this, just like, you know, like I showed y'all in my other video with the roller set. Just take and pull them apart, ring them around so the curls are still ringing around, and you can just wear like that, cover up the parts. But I'm also gonna show y'all it brushed out so you guys can see. It's like you can have the big hair on either side. You can do the Bantu knots, you can do the Flexi rods, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm gonna show y'all both sides so y'all can see which one y'all like better. So I just wanted to show y'all before we brush it out. This is how it can look if y'all want to do it that way and y'all don't want to brush it out. It's up to you. This your hairstyle. But let's go into this brush out. Oh, look at it. It's coming along. Look how wavy. Oh, it's so cute. And if you comb this just right, it can kind of look like finger waves if you do it right. It can kind of look like finger waves. But yeah, so just play around with it. Make it look how you want it to look. And I'm gonna show y'all like how I stick my hand under there and shake it up a little bit to bring some more of that height back in. And if you want to see more videos like this, click this folder, this folder right here, this playlist right here, to see more videos like this.